Como ça va, you too? Danny here, Cajun Hydroponics, boy. Look in the back. It's almost some hydroponics. Man, the last couple weeks have been so busy. But the last 4 days we have been getting some work done. Not near as much as I want, but we have the pump installed, the field lines installed, everything works. Just have a couple holes that we need to fill with some silicone, the top hat grommets, because Lowe's sells trash now. The PVC pipe broke at a couple places, or chipped, not broke. And with the breaking, we ended up with a few leaks. Nothing major, but getting it started right now at this point, it's easier just to, we're going to pull it, add some silicone, and see if that hole stops the water from, or the solution from coming out. If it doesn't, we have a couple other tricks with some silicone, with some super glue and stuff like that. So we're going to be giving it a shot, hoping that we're able to seal it off. As you can see on the back, it's not going to stay like that, but we cutting out the legs. We're going to add extra legs, probably right here, and that one's not screwed in, but we're going to add 3 sets of legs to help hold the pipes from having that bow in them and everything. Try to keep them all as level as possible. The tank's in, the pumps are in, everything works good. Had a little scared at the beginning, didn't think that I would be able to use the pump I had to be able to run everything. But after putting all the lines in the top hats, it all worked out great. Let me move a couple things and we'll show you the tank. Here's the tank, the pump, the recirculation. I got myself, my big ass actually, in here and glued that all together and got in there with a rag and cleaned it all up, and I washed all the pipes and everything, and still couldn't get all the plastic stuff out. So we're gonna have one more pump down and hopefully get it all out, but it works pretty good. Not upset with it at all. It's gonna be super fun. We also got all the buckets painted for here, all the ones I have. I'm actually 5 buckets short, so I'm gonna have to pick up some more. But we got all the buckets painted for in here. There will be 74 buckets total in the 14-foot 6 by 34 greenhouse, and we're hoping to do well with it. Really hoping to do well with it. It's gonna be the first year. We're gonna be doing some learning and some training and a lot of talking with Mr. CB and stuff like that, trying to make sure we get the best production out of here that we possibly can. So excited to say the least. Of course, we're doing a video now and everything's coming on. I mean, everybody's passing, but anyway, we're gonna be back to work on it today. We got some cold weather coming. Our week of winter is here, starting today. Tonight's gonna be in the 30s. Actually, the next 7 days will be in the 30s, between 34 and 30 degrees for 7 days. The week of winter, just at night, not during the day. The highs will be in the mid to high 40s, but it's much colder than we want. I was planning on planting out this greenhouse, but we're gonna wait 1 more month just to make sure. That means we'll be working on the #1 greenhouse. Next month's gonna be fun. Lots of work, lots of plants, and look out, Shed Wars, boy. It's coming. Little Johnny, coming for you, boy. So, anyway, y'all have a good one. South Louisiana, boy. You gotta love it. Y'all grow that later.